Alright, welcome back. On the other video, we tried to create our first project and we are able to run our Django, and we are successful able to install Django. And as you can see on our page here, everything is working correct. So if you are able to see this page after going all through the steps, so if you are able to see this, that's you have successfully created your first project and be able to run your Django project. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to create an app. As I explained on the other video, an app is just like, for our project, let us just name it like a page. I mean, if you have this website and you have a home page, about us page, contact us page, maybe terms and services, let us just call those pages like apps. So we just have this website, we call this my site, and we have some apps like pages and other things. So now we are going to create an app, and we are going to call this app a contact app. That means we want to deal with the contact page. And let us assume that this is our home page, and we are going to create something like here we put slash, then contact. Okay, this now this is our home page. Now if you want to navigate to your contact page, you do like this. So we are going to create something like this. So this we call an app. So before we do this, let's just go to our Django folder and see. Yeah, this is our folder. As you can see it, this is our project, and we named it as my site. And if you open my site, you will have this manage.py. So we want to create an app. Let's just say this is our main site, and we want to create a contact page. So after creating our contact page, we expect on this folder to see something like contact here. So let's go to command prompt and see what we can do. So on our command prompt, just remember we're in a Django virtual environment, and our project on desktop called Django, and this is our project, my site. So how do we create our first app on Python? I mean on Django. We just write Python, is th manage.py start app, and let us call our app contact. Hit enter. Okay, we have successfully created our app. It's called contact. So if you go back to our Django folder here, we need to see this one here. So if you go to Django my site and see, you see this one, contact app. So we have successfully created our contact app, and as of now I'm going to navigate to see how we can add this to our installed apps and see how it looks like to our batch code.